Hello, guys. Good morning, good day. Welcome to another weekly update, episode 40. So, by the way, it's New Year, and I said we will be busy doing a lot of stuff. So, by the way, I have been busy actually not working the shop. I have to travel and I have some wedding I have to attend to. So, I say I'm going to be attending a arts show, a exhibition. So actually, when I get there, I was not able to film so much, but I filmed a little bit. So I will put in that clip for you guys to just watch. Now that would be like this week update because normally week update is what I'm been up to, maybe in the shop or going out to an event. I would like to show you guys. So, but by next week again, expect the wedding I attended, like the military wedding. There are clips I will show you guys as well for that. So I think without no further ado, I will put in the clips now. You watch it. It's just a short clip because this week I think it will not be up to 10 minutes or 8 minutes. It will not be more than 8 minutes. I'm not thinking of 7 minutes. So by the way, let me stop this here and I'll do the outro right now. So we're enjoying it, and it's just a simple video this week. So how are you guys doing? Happy New Year to you. I wish you long life, prosperity, money this year, good things to come. So I will see you at the other side.
Alright, these are the works exhibited for the Inception exhibition. As you can see, their hall is so colorful, so beautiful. Yeah. These are the continuation of it. As you can see. Hi, this is an Inception, an open studio exhibition on Mr. Obi Nwaibu. Actually, it's my boss, so I work with him. So these are some of his works exhibited during the so these are some of his works exhibited during the exhibition. Was concluded with the last week. So we did the last week. So actually nice. Pictures. This one is painted on a paper and being framed, and this one is actually a paint made on canvas. Likewise as this one, but this particular one, as you can see, is an art made from jumps, as you can see, from cans of drinks, the alcoholic one and non-alcoholic one, as well as this one. So these are the works of the Inception and exhibition, an open studio exhibition by Mr. Obi. So that's all, and bye for now.
Hello guys, welcome to the end of the video. Sorry for not uploading when I was supposed to upload, which is yesterday, and sorry for the incomplete video because we didn't make any bag. But I told you guys in the previous video that I will be attending a art exhibition, so, and a trade fair. So that's a little bit of it. So the trade fair, you see, I will display most of products, just few of it, and the art gallery. So on the art gallery, actually I was privileged to see the behind the scene when they were making it. They use can. When you are watching, there is a portrait place where the art was shiny. It's a can, a drink can they used there. So, and my brother that even filmed it for me when I was attending a meeting there as well was talking about the can they use, how they make it, because actually he was among the group that make those things. So that's just it. And we went there normally to draw inspiration from there, to like get inspired and make some new bags. So that's just it. Thank you guys for watching. This is where we're ending this video for this particular weekly update episode 40. Actually the intro, I'll be changing the intro very soon because I don't have time to make new intro. That's why I still use 2021 intro, because we are in 2022 actually. So this is where we'll be ending it. Thank you guys for being here. We really appreciate you, and please stay tuned. There are interesting videos that will be coming, new tutorial, interesting tutorial that you guys are going to benefit from. So thank you guys for watching. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing. When you subscribe, turn on the post notification bell so that you get notified when we upload a new video. Share this with people you know it might be of help to them. Subscribe to the channel, we really appreciate. Leave in the comment section below what you really think, and thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you at the next one. Bye for now.